Hey guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So we have got a Thar Roxx to get it modified. So we have added a list of accessories which are going to upgrade as part of RS Car Premium. As it is a base model, first thing what we have done is we have added a Moco 2K Diamond Android system to it. So other major important thing, customer wanted an auto folding mirror. So it's a base model mirror, so even you don't get a basic switch as well. So what we have done is we have changed from Mahindra top end model to get the auto folding mirror, which will work with the switches as well as on the remote. So customer wanted to have a safety thing in his car, so we have given RS Car Premium mirror dashcam, which we have recently launched with Sony Starviz 2, which comes up with a front 4K and a rear 2K option. And customer wanted a premium seat cover, so we have given him with a beige color of a premium quality seat cover, so you can see the completely it will be an OEM fitment. Finally, the upgrade what we have done is we have added an Lumar tint to it for the complete car. So this is the base setup which I have done for Thar Roxx. If you guys wanted to get a car upgraded from base to top, please reach out to RS Car Premium.